Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you how to set default folder view in Windows 10 so you can keep all your folders organized the way you like. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click on the Start button and open File Explorer from the menu. File Explorer is where you manage all your files and folders. This is where you can customize how folders appear on your computer. Step 2. Open any folder and adjust the view settings from the top menu by clicking on the View tab. Here you can choose options like large icons, small icons, list, or details. Select the view style you prefer because this will become your default layout. Step 3. Once you've selected your preferred layout, click on the Options button on the right side of the toolbar. This will open the Folder Options window where you can manage folder behavior. It allows you to apply settings to multiple folders at once. Step 4. In the Folder Options window, go to the View tab. This section contains advanced settings related to how folders are displayed. It also includes the option to apply your current view to all folders. Step 5. Click on Apply to Folders, then click Yes when prompted to confirm. This action sets your current folder view as the default for all folders of the same type. It saves time and keeps your file browsing consistent. Step 6. Finally, click Apply and then OK to save the changes. Your default folder view is now set. Any new folders of the same type will follow this layout automatically. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.